glue gels. Really thick density, but it's definitely do a really magic works. And I am going to use twin tip brush. Mine's really long time twin tip brush, but it works amazing. Really thick density, so each time you need it just little. So in this beautiful designs, I am going to do it right here, just a little bit in the center right there. And then I am going to use the rest of them and give it a little bit thin layer. This time I am going to add some like a SS round shape of the glow in the dark crystal. And don't forget to apply Snow White top coat on the top with no white top coat and condensed glue gels. It will definitely hold out your crystals. And I'm gonna floating on the top. You don't want to drag the condensed glue gels, you want to floating on the top. And I'm gonna cap it again. Well, we already top coated, so just in case you want it again, that's okay, to make it all blend. And then so we are going to, I really like this one though. Such a really beautiful shape. A perfect shot, but in the glow in the dark kits. You can do a round shape, you can do this shape, however you would like. Okay, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of a smaller crystals. I'm gonna add several of them. You don't have to if you like, oh, you're happy with this. Add some if you want. Want a yellow one. All right, I'm happy with this. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds.